Hello everyone, today we have a 2018 Chrysler 300 Limited, the 3.6 liter. That is a spunky little engine right there. And those LED headlight surrounds don't flicker to the human eye, that's just a refresh rate of my camera. This also has alloy wheels and dual sunroofs. Dual exhaust. Large trunk. I love the color. The sun will come back out. It'll be amazing. Such a vibrant red. These are leather seats. The rear seats are heated and also have their own power supplies. You just out of the VIN right here. You know, it's kind of, there we go. A shot of it, a little bit difficult. Just have a wooden inlay. Look, it goes from there clear across the dash to the other side. As we look down here, we'll see that it has 38,246 miles on this vehicle. You also have push to talk and your exterior vehicle sensors right here. And I'll go ahead and turn the lights off so that everything will come on. And we're going to go ahead and turn that down a little bit. Okay, but you see that you also have heated and cooled seats in front along with heated steering wheel. And we're not going to do anything with the update. So, at any rate, you can also connect through your phone via Bluetooth and also through an auxiliary. Here are your various apps to work with. Here you can turn your screen on and off, then your climate controls you can also do from here, and the settings as well. As you come down here, you're going to see you have a push button start, and here are your comfort controls, and this will also have your lane drift sensor or lane departure sensor, and your shifter, additional stowage. Down in here you're going to have an additional power supply and stowage. There's your key fob. And in here, here's your cup holders, and then you'll have additional power supplies and storage down in there. And as you come up top, you're going to have your dome lights, map reading lights, sunglasses holder, and your dual sunroof. Okay, and this about wraps up for this little Chrysler. This is a clean title, local trade-in. For more inventory, visit us at tjchapmanauto.com.